Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix messages cannot be sent since this user isn't following you. This error occur when you send a follow request to a person and in back they don't follow you. Then this kind of error occur. But the person has already followed you and you are still facing the problem. Then I will tell you how you can fix this problem. First of all, you have to go back. After going back, what you have to do, you have to click on profile. After clicking on profile, you have to click on three lines. In three lines, you have to click on settings and privacy. In settings and privacy, you have to scroll down and you have to click on report a problem. In report a problem, you have to report that problem to TikTok team so that they can solve it for you. After that, you have to select the topic of the problem you are facing. As we are facing the problem of direct messages, you have to click on that. After that, you can select what the problem you are facing in direct message. As you are unable to send direct message, so you have to select that. After that, they will provide you a solution and ask for you that works for you or not. If it doesn't work for you, then you have to click on no. After that, you have to click on need more help. After clicking on need more help, here they will provide you a form which you have to fill. As you can see, I have already filled that description, which is as hello TikTok team, I am facing the problem of message cannot be sent since this user isn't following you, although that user and me following each other. My details are as below. Kindly solve this problem for me as soon as possible. Moreover, you can also provide here the screenshot of the problem. After providing screenshot and all other things, you can click on submit and your problem will be submitted to TikTok team, and within few days your problem will be solved. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.